In this video, I'll show you how to set up a subscription plan in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Product Catalog from the left side menu. This is where you'll create the product that customers will subscribe to. Now, click Create Product. Enter a name for your subscription and, if you'd like, add a description to help identify it. After that, scroll down to the Pricing section and click Add Pricing. Next, choose Recurring as the pricing type. Enter the subscription price, select the billing currency, and choose how often customers should be charged, such as every month or every year. Once you've configured the pricing, review your settings and click Save Product. Your subscription plan is now created and ready to use. If you're selling through Stripe Checkout or a payment link, you can now create a payment link or connect the product to your website or app so customers can start subscribing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a subscription plan in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.